There are so many things that I love about this kitchen, and I could talk all day about it. This galley sink is a chef's dream. We put all the components with it. We have their Insta-Hot, you have your kitchen pull-down spray, your soap dispenser, and your air switch for your garbage disposal. But I think the major key components that really make this kitchen shine are the countertops and our VOD mod cabinetry. So VOD mod cabinets are done in a Shinoki grain, and this is in granite walnut. And if you can see from top to bottom, the grain flows so beautiful. I love how they're able to grain match everything and just make it look like one solid piece of wood. Paired with this neolith, I think it's divine. What I love about neolith, aside from it basically being bomb-proof, is that it is a porcelain material, so we can do a lot of really cool things with it. Seamless backsplash, and then really little details that I love are windowsills wrapped in it as well.